I'm all alone, I don't have a home. Some days it feels like I'm just cursed to roam. Packing up a bag, going to place. Melbourne, Casablanca, Beijing Marketplace. I'm so tired of traveling, my bones are sore from wearing a backpack and sweating from every pore. One day I'm here, another day I'm there. People get jealous because I go everywhere. But what they don't see is late at night I ain't got nobody make my life feel right. I'm cursed to roam without a home, no nationality or language that's my own. Bonjour, ni hao, aloha la bes. Assalamu alaikum, y cómo estás? Buongiorno amigo, comment ça va? Tudo bem, tout va bien, ni hao ma. Mera naam Karen hai, wo kitna kya hai? Dwo shao tian combien ça coûte, où est-ce que c'est? No nationality, that's my own. No language I call home. Sleeping in a different city every night, but all alone with no one to make me feel right. I'm so tired of traveling, my bones are sore. My backpack makes me sweat from every pore.